Hi children, today we are discussing about 4-digit number, subtraction of 4-digit number using a bar with borrowing. Before session I will explain about subtraction of 4-digit number without borrowing. I explained. This class I will explain about the with borrowing. How to do borrow in subtraction I explain in subtraction of 3-digit number. There we will use only 3 digits. For the numerical number we have to use only 3-digit numbers. In this we have to use 4-digit number. 4-digit number means will place value, so it will be started from thousands, hundreds, tens and ones it will be in this way. Subtractions means difference. Okay, if is asking difference also, we have to apply the subtraction symbol only, because this is the main important. If he is asking difference between the two numerical number, difference between the two numerical numbers means we have to apply the subtraction symbol only. Okay, first one examples I will explain. First, subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers with borrowing. With borrowing. Okay, children. See here. Next, for example, 5672. 5672. This is the 4-digit number. This is the 4-digit number. In this 4893 we have to subtract. Okay, 5672 minus 4893. Then he gave only horizontal method. In this horizontal method we have to write in column method or vertical method 5, 6, 7, 2. Then it will be 3, 9, 8 and 4. Always subtraction should be from bigger number to the smaller number. Always subtraction we have to do is bigger number from the bigger number to smaller number. Okay, see here, compare with this ones place first always from right to left. In this upper number it will be smaller number. We can't remove 3 from 2. 2 is having lesser energy. Okay, na the value should be less than the 3. That's why we have to take in the 2 is help to the before number. Is asking help to before number means if this is tens place it will be 7 is helping to 2. How it will be giving to borrow. Borrow means we have to always 7 is giving to 10 to 2. Okay, then whenever it will be this is from 7 means what 70. Tens place means what 70. Borrow is always taking 10 means it will be become 60. 6 before number always whenever we are taking borrow we have to write the before number. Then it will be see borrow is carrying always 10. Already here 2 is there. 10 plus 2 it will be become 12. Okay, 10 plus 2 it will be become 12. Then 12 minus 3 is a 9. 12 minus 3 is a 9. Again this place ones place value over. Next it will be before number. Compare to 6. 9 9 is a bigger number, then we have to take out the borrow again from the before number. So from this one, this is having the place value is 10, then take it borrow is, then 6 is become a before number 5, 6 before number is 5, 6 is become a 5, this 6 is become a 16 because of borrow value is 10, then it will be become a 16, 16 minus 9 is a 7. 60 minus 9 is a 7. Again it will be C compared to 8. 5 is a smaller number. 5 need help to the before number. 5 is become a 4. It will be become borrow is become a 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 minus 8 it will be is a 7. And 4 minus 4 it will be 0. How much we got? It will be subtraction in the 4-digit number with borrowing. 5672 minus 4893 is 779 we got. Isn't it? Again one more thing it will be C1s. One more example. 9030 minus 6718. 6718. 9030 minus 6718. Okay, from we have to do the apply the in between the subtraction symbol. This he gave the horizontal method. This horizontal lines we have to write in the column method or vertical method. Then we have to first whatever number is there we have to write according to the place value. Then we can write it here 8, 1, 6, 7 and 6. See it will be we have to apply the subtraction symbol. From 0, 8 we can't remove, then 0 need help to before number, then 0 is asking borrow to the 3 before number, 2 3 is become a 2, then it will be borrow is value 10, 10 plus 0 is as usual 10 only. Now we can subtract it from 10 to 8, see here 10 minus 8 it will be is a 2. 10 minus 8 is a 2. Now compared to 1, 2 is a bigger one. Direct subtraction it will be no need of borrow. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Again we can't remove from 0. 7 we can't remove from 0. That's why 0 need help to the before number. That's why he asking 0 is asking to the borrow from the before number. Before number is a 9. 9 it will be become a 8. If we are taking borrow only it will be become the before number we have to write. If the no need of borrow means you can here no need of borrow. That's why you can't write the before number. Then it will be 8 is 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. Difference of this one. How much we got? It will be 2312 we got. Okay children, this is the subtraction of 4-digit number. One more thing, one more example I will say. This ones. See how it will be. One more third example. 8002 minus 4311 means 8002. 8002 minus 4311. Okay now 8002 minus 4311. What we have to write? This is the gave in horizontal method. Now we can convert it into the column method and or we have to write in vertical method. Then 8002. Then 1, 1, 3 and 4 we have to do the subtraction. 2 minus 1, 1. See here we can't remove 1 from the 0. 0 need help to the before number. Before also having 0. This is also having no value. The 0 is not help to the another 0. Then again 0 is asking me to the before number. Then 8 is become a 7. From here to here already 10 we got. Then here already again this 0 is asking help to the this one. That's why this is become a 9. Then again will come 10 minus 1 is a 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. Difference how much we got? 3691. This process is we have to write in between difference of this number. Only this is a 4-digit number. See here always he won't give the subtract and this one both are won't equal. Won't same digit numbers. Okay now if compulsory is before number should be is having more than digits to the after number. Okay na? For example, 6792 minus 483. Like this way we have to. Okay na? I told only 4-digit numbers. Only always children will think only 4-digit number compulsory. We have to subtract from the 4-digit number only. Not is not for that. If the number should be compulsory, in 4-digit number we have to subtract 3-digit number, 2-digit number, not more than 4 digits. Okay na? Now in 4-digit number we have to subtract 3-digit numbers also. Then you can write it 6792. Then you can write it here 4. Then you can subtract it now. Like this way we have to write 2 we can't from 3. Then it will be 8. 2 is becoming 12. 12 minus 3 is a 9. 8 minus 8 is a 0. 7 minus 4 is a 3. 6. This is the way we have to do the subtraction of 4-digit numbers. If the same digits it will give same like that only. If we gave subtraction it will be also 3. You can write it will be same column method. Then next one we have to do subtraction. Isn't it clear? Thank you children.